Hey guys, so this video I have some amazing Amazon promo code deals to share with you. I have about 20 items. Everything is going to be linked in the description down below. So we're going to jump right on into this. First deal I have to share with you is the cordless electric scissors, 4-volt rechargeable cardboard cutters, 2 extra blades by Hardell, and it is 50% off. So I have a similar item to this made by Skill that I've had for 10 years, and especially back in the day selling stuff on eBay, cutting up boxes and everything, there was no easier way to do it. I really like this tool. Starts out at $31.99, but it's 50% off with this promo code right here. Add that at checkout on the Amazon page. That's supposed to go through the 31st, so you're cutting that in half. Pay about $15.99. I hate to say, I think I spent $40 or $50 on my Skill version of this same guy. So a really good deal and something I've used extensively and really like. Next, we have a 4-pack. We also have it available in a 2-pack, but a 4-pack corner aluminum alloy right angle clamps, adjustable swing jaw, 90-degree wood clamps by Pure, 50% off. So again, this is the 4-pack. I'll show you the link to the 2-pack as well. You can get some handy-dandy gloves to go with it. But put together your picture frame and make sure it's nice and square. Starts out at $42.99, 50% off through September 1st with this promo code right here. Now, if you click that link, another window is going to open up, and it'll give you the option if you want the 2-pack instead of the 4-pack. The 4-pack is a little bit better deal. Also, clicking the link will automatically apply the promo code to your account, so you don't have to manually enter it. By the way, if you're not already, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next amazing deal. You know, these promo codes don't last forever. They rarely make it to their expiration date. So you don't want to miss out on the amazing deals. Make sure you subscribe. Click the bell. Turn on all notifications. Next up, countersink drill bit set. It's a 5-piece set by Molework. 3/8-inch quick change chamfered adjustable drilling tool kit. So you get your little drill bit, guys. Adjustable for the depth. You get your little camphor to countersink them suckers in there so the head of the screw's not sticking out. $14.99, 50% off. Now, this is supposed to go through the end of September, and I actually can't remember why I included the link here. Maybe there's another variation. Don't remember, but 50% off is going to be $7.49 for this little 5-pack of your countersink drill bits by Molework. We got an electrical tester kit, non-contact voltage tester, GFCI outlet tester, and the digital moisture meter. So when your basement floods, you can see how much drywall you got to cut out. This is by Tech, and it is 60% off. Little 3-piece. Normally $59.98, but we have a 40% promo code that stacks with a 20% coupon on the Amazon page. So when you open that Amazon page, look for the coupon below the price. Click the little checkbox. That will apply the 20% coupon. Then click this link right here. That will apply your 40% promo code. You will save a total of 60%. It's going to make it, what, about $23, $24, somewhere in that range for the 3-piece set. You'll be a home inspector before you know it. Got a magnetic nut driver set, 16-piece impact driver set, 1/4-inch hex shank deep bit set by Molework, and 40% off. So you've got rails, handy dandy case. Get a couple of these little socket adapter guys, bit holder, and then all your little nut drivers. Starts out at $22.99, but we have a 40% promo code right here. Not sure when it expires, but it's good right now. Right now, I checked all the promo codes before getting going on this. We also have a Prime member discount. If you are a Prime member, click on the little Buy on Amazon link. That'll open up the Amazon page. And I believe the Prime member discount was either $18.99 or $19.99. So your 40% off will be off the lower price. If this promo code's not working, I did include this promo code as well. However, this promo code is only 35% off. So if you can, try and use this first one. You get yourself an additional 5%. 3/8-inch impact socket set, 6-point 3/8-inch drive, 50-piece standard metric SAE sockets with adapters, ratchet by Suzumi. 40% off, handy dandy case. Looks like we have a mixture of deep wells and shallows. You get your little universal swivel guys, a couple of extension bars, and the ratchet. Of course, this is an impact set, so you can put on your impact driver, put on your impact wrench. 5/16 up to 3/4 of an inch, or 8mm up to 22mm. Pretty decent sizes. $49.58, but we do have the 40% promo code here as well. Promo code Suzumi Socket. 40% off, close to $30 there for the ratchet and all them sockets. Rotary hammer drill with vibration control. Gotta love some vibration control. And safety clutch, 13 amp heavy duty 1.25" SDS Plus demolition hammer by Aobin. So we can do drilling, we can do chiseling. Is a corded tool, so you don't got to worry about being in their battery platform or anything. Just plug that sucker into a wall and go all day long. $54.99. Now there is no promo code or coupon, just a sale price. Normally $110 down to $54.99, saving 50% on the Aobin. 6 amp, 4.5 inch angle grinder, 3-piece grinding wheels by Hammerhead. So in the previous video, we had their 2-pack of a little 2-pack combo kit, the drill and impact driver. So now another little sale item. Getting 3 wheels to go with it. Have your auxiliary handle. Looks like the tool is embedded in the handle, if that little slot is what I think it is, which is super nice. And of course, you can put that on either side. It looks like a paddle switch style, which is generally preferred up paddle switch right there. So a sale price of $18.60, normally $29.28, 36% off, down to $18.60 for your Hammerhead corded grinder. 2-pack chainsaw, wall mount holder, heavy duty chainsaw rack, storage hook by Phenomenal. 40% off. Now, if you don't want the 2-pack, the 1-pack is also available. Bolt that guy to the wall and hang it there. Now, when I was looking at this, I thought maybe the spacing you'd hang it by like the bar or something. They're showing it hanging by the handle. They also showed it hanging by the top handle here in another picture. So however you can do it, I'm sure it works for other items as well. But $29.99, 40% off. You almost cut that in half. You're going to be a little north of $15 there, probably about $18. And then right here at this text link, again, it'll automatically apply the promo code to your account. But you also have the 1-pack if you don't want 2, but you do have a little bit better value on the 2. So we got a chainsaw organizer, or if you prefer, we got a weed whacker organizer. Again, 2-pack or 1-pack, garage organizer, trimmer rack, wall mounted by 40% off. So a little bit different style here. You put the shaft through the hole, act like you've been there before. And then you can't see it too well in the pictures, but there are holes here that you screw it to the wall. Normally $32.99, 40% off on that, going through September 1st. Again, you can get the 1-pack or the 2-pack. Love all the garage organization stuff. Keep things nice and tidy, save space, so you have room for more stuff. You got the travel power strip, travel essentials, travel extension cord, 3 outlets, 4 USB ports, 2 USB-Cs, and a 4-foot cord by N-Ton Power. It is 45% off. I really like these little compact travel guys. Make things nice and easy. Also doesn't take up too much space on the desk. You see the combination of your traditional USB-A ports and your USB-Cs. The cord wraps around the wheel. That's 4 feet of cord. $13.29, which isn't even a bad price to start with. And then we have 45% off, almost 50% off. So that is, between $6 or $7. That's only going to be good for the next couple of days. Not so much of a deal on this one, but I just love this little guy. The 1.4-ton mini excavator. We posted the video earlier today on this guy. 13.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton gas engine. You got the boom swing, hydraulic thumb, semi-automatic quick change, which we show how to change out the bucket in the video. This is by Huey. I love this little excavator thing. It has been a ton of fun. I said in the video, I think I'm at 23 hours on this guy, but you got your little pusher blade on the front. And you got your hydraulic thumb there. It comes with, I think it was a 15-inch bucket. And then in the video, I showed the narrow 8-inch bucket. It is $7,099. Price has gone up just a little bit from when we first showed it a month or 2 ago. Still, in my mind, well worth it. So the latest video, if you want to check out digging with it, or the original video, we do more of a tour showing the different controls and stuff in the first video. But we'll have a couple of more of those coming along the line. Got a meat thermometer, digital, half-second instant read, food thermometer by X Belmber. 50% off. So you just stick it in your meat. Not that meat. That would hurt. Different kind of meat. Battery operated. See, I was trying to see what the range is. I don't see exactly what the top of the range is, but at least goes to 178, or so the little screen thing says. Normally $9.99, but we have a 50% promo code. It will apply to multiple quantities if you need more ways to test the temperature of your meat. 50% off, going to be bring it down to $4.99. I ended up picking up one of those for myself. Got the 2-pack, 7-inch LED light bars, spot, flood, combo, beam, triple row, LED pod lights. They're off-road lights by LED Mercy, 50% off. Get the little mounting brackets so you can swivel and adjust it any way that you want. Some fuses there. 2-pack of the 7-inch lights, $19.99. Now we have a Prime member discount, which I don't remember what that discount brought it down to, but if you're a Prime member, open up that page, you'll see what it is. And then an additional 50% off. So even for the non-Prime members, or worst case scenario for the Prime members, you're only paying $9.99 for a 2-pack, and that goes through the 31st, your promo code right there. You got a 2-pack angle grinder holders, all sorts of garage storage solutions for you in this video. The wall mount angle grinder bracket with cord hanger, 4-bay storage rack by Love Fi Home. 50% off. So again, a 2-pack, you got your little cutouts here so you can hang up your angle grinders. Really cool design. Something we don't see up nearly as much as the regular tool drill organizer rack. A little bit different with the angle grinders. Really, all of them were different because we had the weed whacker, which you don't typically see, the chainsaw, and now this guy here. $35.99, but then 50% off, so close to $18 on that. And then, of course, it's a 2-pack, so that's $9 a piece. Not sure when it expires, but it is good right now. Got the Craftsman battery-powered sprayer wand. Really love this guy. Battery-powered, you stick that in whatever kind of container that you're spraying, maybe some weed, doing some weed and feed, or just killing everything. And instead of giving the old Popeye forearm workout, you can just throw a battery in there, squeeze it once, and it just keeps going. $8.98, normally $12.99. Not a huge discount, but at $8.98, well worth the relief for the forearms. Got some men's hands-free slip-on loafers, comfortable walking shoes, breathable by Bruno Mark, 30% off. So I have these in a different color and really like them. Super easy. You got the extended tongue there so you can just slide your heel in and you don't like fold in the back or whatever. No laces or anything. Pretty elasticy right in here, so it just kind of stretches to conform to your foot. But really comfortable. Don't got to worry about bending over to tie your shoes or whatever. Don't got to worry about stepping on the laces. Starts out $21.99, and that's already a sale price, but then we have a 30% promo code, so it's going to be another like $7 off. You're only going to be $14 to $15 for these guys. Not sure when it expires. Good right now. So 30% off. It should work for different sizes and colors. I just threw this one up. But the Amazon page has a bunch of options. So there it is, guys. The latest amazing deals on Amazon. Amazon promo code deals. Of course, we're posting new promo code deals every single day. So if you love an amazing deal, want to save some money on your stuff, make sure to subscribe. Click the like. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you guys next time.